Introduction of H&M. H&M, or Hans and Mauritz AB, is a Swedish multinational fashion retailer established in 1947. The company is widely recognized as one of the leading fast fashion brands in the world. H&M operates in more than 70 countries and aims to provide fashion and quality at the best possible price in a sustainable way. Besides its flagship, H&M brand, the company also manages several well-known brands including COS, Arcade, Monkey, Weekday, and other stores. H&M operates in the fashion retail industry and follows a fast fashion business model, which focuses on producing fashionable products quickly and at affordable price. The company offers a wide range of products including clothing, footwear, accessory, cosmetic, and home furnishing. Its target market covers men, women, teenagers, and children from various income groups. H&M has a strong global presence with more than 5,000 stores and over 100,000 employees worldwide. Due to its extensive international operation and strong brand recognition, H&M is considered one of the largest and most influential companies in the global fast fashion market.
For our case study, we are analyze the supply chain management of H&M. As one of the world's largest fashion retailer, H&M faced a unique challenges, balancing the rapid pace of fast fashion with the increasing demand for global sustainability. Today, we will break down how their supply chain operate, their procurement and logistics strategy, and how they leverage technology to maintain a competitive edge. Moving to logistics, H&M prioritizes sustainability by utilizing sea and rail freight for over 90% of their shipment, strictly limiting air freight to only the most urgent item. Their distribution is a seamless omnichannel model, connecting 5,000 physical stores with their global e-commerce site. In their warehouse, they use automated sorting to prepare floor-ready merchandise, allowing goods to go from the truck to the sale floor without needing storage time. To ensure accuracy, their delivery system uses RFID and data metric tracking. This gives the company real-time visibility into stock level. H&M's secret to competitiveness is a hybrid strategy. They use a lean supply chain for basic staples, maximize efficiency, and a agile supply chain for trendy items, prioritizing spend. This is supported by their digital supply chain, using AI for demand forecasting. This is game changer because it predicts what consumers want before they buy it, drastically reduce overproduction. Finally, they are focused on a sustainable supply chain by integrating cellular economic principles. This includes their global garment collecting program and a move toward using 100% recycled or sustainable source material by 2030. So, how do this strategy improve their standing? By combining lean cost cutting with a large responsiveness, H&M remain both affordable and fashionable. And by investing in digital and sustainable strategy, they mitigate the reputational risks that often plague fast fashion. In short, H&M supply chain is not just about moving clothes, it's about using data and partnership to create moving more efficient and conscious business model.
Next, for the types of inventory at H&M. H&M is one of the world's largest fashion retailers and operators in the fast fashion industry. Therefore, effective inventory management is essential to ensure products are available at the right time while minimizing inventory costs. There are three main types of inventory at H&M. First, raw material, which are material used by suppliers to manufacture clothing products. Example, cotton, polyester, wool, button, and zippers. Second, work in progress inventory or WIP. These are products that are still being manufactured by H&M suppliers, such as fabrics being cut, garments being sewn, and products undergoing quality inspection. Third, finished goods, which are completed products ready to be sold in store and online. Example, t-shirt, dress, jeans, and jackets. Next, I will explain the inventory control techniques used by H&M. The first technique is just-in-time or JIT. H&M replenishes products based on customer demand to reduce excess inventory and storage costs. This approach allows the company to respond quickly to changing fashion trends. The second technique is safety stock. H&M maintains additional inventory for popular and essential products to prevent stock shortages and ensure customer satisfaction. The third technique is AI-based demand forecasting. H&M use artificial intelligence and sales data to predict customer demand and optimize inventory levels. This helps the company reduce overstock and improve inventory decision. Last, H&M use several technologies to improve inventory management. First, H&M use RFID, which stands for Radio Frequency Identification. RFID helps the company track products throughout the supply chain and monitor inventory in real time. This improves inventory accuracy and reduce stock shortages. Second, H&M use artificial intelligence or AI. AI helps the company forecast customer demand, predict fashion trends, and optimize inventory allocation. Third, H&M use a warehouse management system or WMS. This system improves warehouse operation, inventory tracking, and order fulfillment efficiency.
Next, decision making in supply chain. Decision making is an important process in supply chain management because it helps a company choose the best actions to achieve efficiency, reduce costs, and satisfy customer demand. In H&M, supply chain decisions are mainly focused on four key areas, namely supply selection, transportation planning, inventory optimization, and demand forecasting. So these decisions are interconnected and influence the overall performance of the supply chain. One of the most important supply chain decisions at H&M is supplier selection. The company carefully evaluates suppliers based on several criteria, including product quality, cost efficiency, sustainability practices, ethical compliance, and supplier performance. So product quality is essential because it directly affects customer satisfaction and brand reputation. For example, if a supplier provides low quality fabrics, the final products may not meet customer expectation, which could negatively impact H&M's image. Furthermore, ethical compliance is carefully monitored. H&M requires suppliers to comply with labor regulations, workplace safety standards, and fair working conditions. For example, suppliers that violate labor rights may be removed from H&M supply chain network. Finally, H&M conducts regular supplier audits to evaluate supplier performance and ensure continuous compliance with company requirements. So, through this systematic decision-making process, H&M can build long-term relationships with reliable suppliers while reducing operational and reputational risk. For transportation decisions, H&M carefully selects the most suitable shipping method to ensure products are delivered efficiently across global markets. The company mainly uses two types of transportation methods, which are sea freight and air freight. Sea freight is commonly used because it is more cost-effective and suitable for large shipments. Although it takes a longer time, it allows H&M to transport a high volume of products at a lower cost, which is very important for a global fashion retailer. On the other hand, air freight is used when products need to be delivered urgently. This method is much faster compared to sea freight, but it is also more expensive. Therefore, H&M only use air freight for time-sensitive deliveries such as new fashion collections or urgent restocking in stores. In addition, H&M also relies on strategically located distribution centers. These centers act as central hubs where products are stored before being distributed to different regions and retail stores. These hubs improve efficiency in managing global operations. Overall, H&M's transportation decisions are based on a balance between cost and speed. By choosing the most appropriate transportation method in different situations, the company is able to reduce logistic costs while ensuring timely product delivery to customers worldwide. For inventory optimization, H&M focused on maintaining the right balance of stock across its global stores. The company used real-time sales data to monitor inventory levels and ensure that products are available when needed. This helps reduce overstocking, which can increase storage costs and also prevent stock shortage that may affect customer satisfaction. And other than that, H&M applies demand forecasting to support better decision-making in production and inventory planning. The company analyzes historical sales data, market trends, and customer behavior to predict future demand. This process is further supported by AI and data analytics technologies, which improve the accuracy of forecasting. Overall, these two processes help H&M improve efficiency in managing inventory, reduce waste, and ensure that products are delivered based on actual customer demand.
Next, we have conclusion, which is key insight from the supply chain analysis. First, we have dual process agility, which is H&M effectively balance a complex global supply chain. Next, we have technological integration, which is integration of advanced digital tools. For the lesson learned from the company practices, we have decoupling growth from waste through AI-driven forecasting and 3D sampling. And second, we have strategic localization methods, which is help align product supply directly with localized consumer demand. The strategic recommendation for improvement. First, we have enhanced circular design and fabric longevity. Second, we have expand regional sourcing shift. Next, we have accelerate digital infrastructure investment. And the last one, we have strengthened the garment collection framework.